auto part this is summer. Today I'm going to introduce the best selling one this week. The one on my hand is a tail lamp cover. It's including 6 pieces. For the left hand drive, for the left side is 3 pieces, and for the right side is 3 pieces. And we can find the original tail lamp of my car is red, and after I install the smoke tail lamp cover, it's become the smoke design as the high profile design. As we know, it's very expensive to change a tail lamp if we make some accident, so it's necessary to make some protection for the tail lamp when we go outside, go traveling or go off-road. Though this way is very easy to install. We can find that there comes some stickers, the strip on the back side. We need to remove it, and after remove the red stickers, we can start to install it. And we can find the stations here and make sure which size is right and adjuster. Cover it. The fitment is very good. And for this brake light cover, let's do the same with. It's easiest way to have a high profile tail lamp. So if you have any interest, just contact our sales department for more information. I would like to support. If you have any ideas of new products for Defender, just contact Summer. I would like to be your best cooperation suppliers in the near future. So thank you very much for watching today, and see you next video. Bye bye.